This is ARLO Pro 3 bundle, and today I will show how you can enable, disable and overall manage the motion detection feature on this camera. So to start, you will need to take your phone and launch the ARLO Secure app. Now first let me show you how to enable or disable the motion detection. So here go into the dashboard, find the mode that your camera is currently in. Or actually, well, just see it here, then go into the routine section, select the mode in question, find your camera, open it, and that's how you enable motion detection. That's how you disable it. Once enabled, you can also decide what action will be performed. You can activate any or all of those actions here, as you can see. Set them up and add them to your rule that you set up for this camera. Once enabled, you might go into the camera settings and modify its preferences, such as, well, just go into the default mode settings here, and here you can modify its sensitivity, as you can see. Excuse me guys for this little hold off. I've accidentally triggered the siren. So yeah, let me disable it real quick. And well, by the way, if you would like to test how sensitive is your motion detection and just overall test its sensitivity, get back into the default mode settings here, and below the motion detection sensitivity choice, you have the motion detection test. And as you can see, the LED indicator will flash once the motion is detected. As you can clearly see, mine is flashing now since the motion has been detected. Anyway, that will be it for this video, guys. If you have any questions left, do not hesitate to leave them in the comment section below. But as for now, thanks for watching and bye bye.